can take you there.
What's up YouTube, Flagstaff Ave Geek here, another video. Today we're here with another unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the ANA 777-300ER by Phoenix Models. I think this is one of their latest releases, so yeah, let's open this. I literally got this in the mail like 5 minutes ago. Right when I got the notification on my phone that it was here, I just ran to the mailbox and got it. So yeah, let's get into it. Got this from Easy Toys for a pretty good price. I tried comparing prices from different websites, and Easy Toys turned out to be the cheapest with a coupon. So yeah, let's just try to get this box open. It's pretty sealed, so pretty big box for the model. Nicely wrapped. Alright, so here we got the box. Looks really nice. And yeah, let's get into an overview of the box. So it just has Boeing 777-300ER, the computer generated image of the model, ANA, the registration, JA798A, ANA inspiration of Japan, their little slogan, and 1 to 400 scale, of course. This box looks really nice. Really like it. It's probably just as good as the model. So yeah, and there's Mount Fuji in the background. And yeah, let's get into the model. Looks really nice, guys. Let's just try to take this out. Wow. I gotta say, guys, dang, really nice model by Phoenix. It looks like they really have their 777-300 mold nailed. Looks really good. Let me just put this box away real quick and we'll get into the review. And before we get into the model, I'll put the flight radar facts right here about the aircraft. I believe this is one of ANA's newest 777-300s in their fleet. It was newly acquired, I believe, not too long ago, about a year ago. And yeah, let's get into the review. So to start off, we got the cockpit windows, Starline's logo right there. Really nicely detailed, you can see it. And of course, we have the Japanese flag, the ANA titles, the inspiration of Japan titles, L1 boarding door, L2 boarding door, Wi-Fi dome, and inspiration of Japan. The windows all around are really nicely aligned and detailed. And here we have the GE engines, and of course the overwing exit with the pattern detailed on the top. And here in the back, we just have, it says Boeing 777-300ER, and the registration, Juliet Alpha 798 Alpha, and of course the ANA tail right there. Let me just get I'll let you guys see the left side for a bit more. And here we got the back view of the aircraft. As you can see, the overwing patterns for the exit and APU detailed on the back. Here's the right side. Pretty much the same, just cargo luggage doors at the front and in the back. And just the engines again. The landing gear do roll nicely on this aircraft, which is really nice. And here's the front. You can see the engine blades detailed right there. Really nicely detailed on both sides. And Yeah, and of course the hold on. And of course the nose cone detailed right there. Here's the bird's eye view of the aircraft. Just the Japanese flag right there, and the registration again, and the overwing exit patterns. And here's the bottom view. Same thing, the Japanese flag and the registration, the wheels, yeah, and the sand hole. Sorry about that not focusing. Yeah, and the landing gear do tilt, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I gotta say, this is a really nice model. If you need a ANA 777-300 in your fleet, or if you just want this because of the looks, it looks really great. Highly recommend it. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye.